Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with HCM Property Management. I'm a portfolio manager. I oversee multifamily and single-family investment properties in Los Angeles. I made this video today to talk about centralized operations. What I mean by that is the property manager's role has changed a lot over the last 5-10 years with the use of new technology and software. And as a result, a property manager used to do a whole list of things: rent collection, maintenance scheduling, notice posting. But with software, and they used to actually have to draft the notice, but now with software, we have the ability to have automatic follow-ups and a central staff who can apply a specialist to that specific topic. There's all these new laws based on rent collection policies or security deposit laws that you have to follow a very strict schedule, and making sure you have a centralized team that you can apply a specialist to that topic really helps the speed and efficiency. Let your property managers focus on making sure tenants are happy, that buildings are clean, that proper notices are up, but not that they have to sit in front of a computer drafting it. We use a centralized approach with the help of our team in Los Angeles, Orange County, and remote. And they're developing best practices for rent collection. We're developing best practices for getting effective and cost-efficient maintenance. We're also developing the way to get your unit leased faster because we have a centralized approach. We're focused on marketing and screening. Having a core system that focuses on how can we get a specialist on this fastest helps develop a quicker process and helps you get more profit out of your building. I'd love to talk with you more about our centralized approach at HCM Property Management. If you'd like to schedule a demo or shoot me an email, my name is Matthew, and I hope you enjoyed the video and looking forward to talking to you if you're interested about it. Thanks so much.